What is up, guys? Bingo here, and tonight we're unboxing, or sort of just showing, the Vanguard Vesta Aspire Shoulder Bag 25, which is one of their camera bags from Vanguard. Really cool name. Actually, that's the reason why I got this bag. But yeah, this is a camera bag because I've been uh, getting cameras lately, preparation for my trip, and this is the Vesta Aspire Shoulder Bag 25, 59 Australian dollars from Vanguard. Got this from JB Hi-Fi. This is the biggest one that I was able to find in that store, and it's a pretty much the usual camera bag. First of all, we got this. Where can we move this? I just got this sleeve, didn't come in any box, so it's not really an unboxing, but we just try to remove these things here on the side. Not wanting to break that bag, but yeah, it was a bit of a test for durability, and there we have it. So Vanguard World, check out their website. Got some socials. It's apparently perfect. This is what the bag looks like if it's filled. Good for DSLR, lens, flash, cell phone, accessories, 9-inch tablet. And there we go. We got specifications. It's 0.48 kilograms with max loading of 4.5 kilogram. So, I'm gonna try and see how this bag is. Got nice branding here, front, Vanguard, very clean, and this really quite. What type of material is this? But it's really nice. I like this type of material, but I don't know what it's called. So I got one pocket up front, and it's got some mesh. Maybe let's try putting typical phone in there. Fits easily. Then you got two side pockets, no zippers or lock. No, not lock. You know, the button. And this is the one thing that I'm kind of meh about, is that it opens from the back, but I'll get used to it. So you're going to be carrying it like that, open from there. It's got nice strap as well, padded strap, like this. I don't know, I can't describe these, so I'm like a boxer, guys. Just can't even describe what these are, but it is padded, quite decent padding. Two small mesh pockets where you can put like SD cards or batteries. Got a pocket here, I believe that's for the 9-inch tablet. And we got this dividers, which are completely removable. So if you want to open this up, you can't like leave it that way. Get lots of space. So let's give it a bit of a test. Got here. So they say 9-inch tablet. Got my Red Magic Astra. Fits perfectly right there. You can put your cameras there. And let's just switch. No. No. So yeah, it does have to be there sideways. And yeah, why did I remove this? Shouldn't remove this, to be honest. But I'm gonna try to put this back on. So it's basically just like that. It's right like that. I only got 3 cameras, to be honest. This is probably too big. You can put in like Osmo Pocket there, Osmo Nano, and Insta360. So yeah, and then you can add like accessories and stuff. It's quite some good space. I believe this is more towards those who have like DSLRs and stuff. You can put your lens in, but yeah, really nice quality, I would say. Good divider here, and it is a bit, I was just saying it was nice quality, but there was some fabric or cotton, whatever, looking out. But yeah, I believe you can use this like your daily bag. You can even if you're not using camera, you can just use it as like your, I don't know, put food in there. But it is like a design for cameras and stuff. Anyway, this has been the Vanguard. Oh, I already forgot what it's called. Yeah, the Vanguard Aspire 35 something. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, short video, and please like, comment down below what do you think about this bag, if you got it or if you're thinking of getting it, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.